Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing better. So my video's late again, I know, but another round of what will happen can happen. It will happen to Amanda. I got food poisoning. I literally got food poisoning on Sunday when I normally film my video. So it's now Tuesday, the 7th. We're going to be filming for the week of the 6th through the 12th. And down below is a link to the Plan With Me design group. There's a blog post with everybody's channels in it. And then there's also a link to the Facebook group. You do not have to film videos to become a part of the Facebook group. You can join the Facebook group and share your spreads. And every week, one of the admins pick a new spread pick for the top of the banner, so you get featured for that week. So it's definitely fun. There's a lot of us over there. Just if you want to just have a really relaxed, just share your spread, talk about shops and sales and that kind of things, go right on over. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the kit we're using this week. This is a mystery kit from Formless Designs. I think I just hauled it last week, so you guys are probably familiar unless you didn't sit through that uber long video. So here are the full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, or these are the decorative half boxes. These are the rounded solids, the ombre heart checklist, the functional page with weekend banner, and these little whales, deco sheet, date covers, bottom wash sheet, and this is an additional full box, and these are glitter headers, glitter appointment labels, and date dots. So we're going to be using this kit to create my spread for this week. And here's just a look back at how last week came out. And this was a kit called Mermaid from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. I love her shop. I love her prices. I love the quality. So if you haven't checked her out before, definitely head over and check her out. She's pretty often she has a sale. This little teardrop paperclip was a freebie from Sweet RT Designs, and I need to figure out where these came from and buy a whole bunch more because they don't dent your Erin Condren pages, and that's perfect. So, yeah, that's everything. You're going to see me pull in a few of these little scripty word stickers from Formless Designs as well. Probably just sick day, work, probably have a game night. It'll be video games, but maybe sleep in. Maybe all of them. Who knows? I already dipped into the work stickers. So, I like the size of these. But, alrighty, so on top of all of that, I have my tools. My pen of choice is my Pilot G2.38. It is a gel pen and it is a super duper fine tip. I just love how it writes. It's not too bold. I have my Bic Whiteout Easy Correct. A lot of people struggle with this one. Sometimes it does give me a little bit of a problem, but not much, because you have to push ever so slightly to where this little piece here bends to get a good adhesion, so you're burnishing it to the paper. And then when you want to tear off, you lift the Bic up, and then this little thing will cut the white out, as you can maybe see right there. So it does give me a few problems every once in a while, but I'm not into like spending money on whiteout that I don't need to. I just get the cheap whiteout. Scissors that I will be using are the EK Tools. These are your precision non-sticks. I got them at Target on clearance. There's stuff all over them because I use them every week. And I've also noticed that my kids come in here and swipe them. I also have, instead of a X-Acto or slice tool, I just have a box cutter. So just very generic. It's a safety. I put it in, I don't have to worry about a cap or anything. Then I also have my e.l.f. tweezers. I use these every week. I should probably get cuter ones, but I don't care. They were $1. They're okay for beauty reasons, but I feel like they work better for stickers, so that's what I use them for. And then I'm going to add on a little bit of extra to my planner this week, just because I feel like it's August and there's yellows in this kit, and it's yellow in here. Back once upon a time, Kiara from Paper Princess Plans made tassels and sold them on Etsy, and I bought them and I love them. This is a yellow with little gold flamingos on it. So I'm going to put that on my planner for this week as an accessory. So that about covers everything. I'm going to jump into laying down the base and getting my plans in. There's not many, let's be honest. And I will talk to you guys again at the end. So you know what that means? Here we go. Alright guys, so that took some doing. I'm a little off my game because I'm still not feeling well and my back still is bothering me. If you guys heard the story of what happened there. I got some comments last Plan With Me, said that you guys like seeing things filled out a little more, so I tried to do that, which made the video a little longer. But let me show you what I used up and what I have left. So I used up all the deco across, you know, the top and throughout the spread. The full boxes, and then the washi page was completely used, so into the garbage they go. I have the functional stuff left, ombre boxes, half boxes, some glitter headers and appointment labels, a ton of quarter boxes, and 2 more decorative half boxes. And yeah, that about sums up the plans that I have for this week. And be on the lookout. I have a lot of videos I'm going to try and catch up on this week. It just depends on how things go, but I have a plan right now and I'm going to do my best to stick to it. So guys, don't forget to check out everyone in the Plan With Me design group down below, and I will link Formless Designs for you. If you have any questions about any other stickers, please just let me know in the comments and I'll let you know where it came from. And I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.